Welcome everybody. You're welcome. Good evening. How are you guys doing? How is everyone doing? Happy Sunday to you all. I hope you guys are doing great. I hope everybody's fine. I'm fine. I'm good. So how is everybody? Happy Sunday to you all. I hope I didn't come late today. So I believe you go to church today. I hope you go to church today. Yes. So yes, today we're gonna talk about men, how men treat their wives, how you're supposed to treat your wife, and those that are treating their wife negatively. So today, Adadiche is going to highlight you or advise you so that you treat your wife very well. If you remember the discussion we had yesterday, it was about marriage. What is all about marriage? Because some people believe that marriage is all about making kids, having kids, but that is not all about marriage. Yes. So today I'm going to be talking about how to treat your wife, how you're supposed to treat your wife, because a lot of men are treating their wife badly, which resulted sometimes divorce, resulted sometimes problems in the marriage. Yeah, some of men are the problem they are having in the marriage. Some of men. Good evening, Chidema. How are you? Happy Sunday, dear. How are you, my darling? Welcome. Happy Sunday. Some men are the problem that women are facing in their marriages today. Oh, Lori, Rebecca, welcome. Good evening. Bolo Luadere, welcome. Happy Sunday, dear. Happy Sunday. How is everybody there? I hope everybody's okay. I hope you guys go to church today or mosque. Um, I really like see you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Good evening. Good evening, my darling people. Thank you so much. Please help me share the live so that people know that we are live now. So we are going to be talking about men treating women. Although I didn't write the caption, but I just want to put it happy Sunday like that. Okay. Some of men are the problem. Marriages are having problems today. People say that when anything happen in the marriage or anything happen, people believing that women are the cause. They label everything to women, but I'm going to say it's lie. That thing they are doing is lie. Women, sometimes it's not the fault is not from the women. Sometimes from the fault is from the men because they ask me why. If you have any question, you can ask me during this broadcast. You understand. So some men are the cause of problems. Some of the problems that happen in their marriages today. Yes, some men are the. I'm sorry to use this one, men. In case if you are watching me, you are my fan, you are a man. Don't be offended. I'm not taking sides. I'm really saying the way it's supposed to be. Understand? Some of the men are the problem that happening in their marriages today. Why? If you're a man enough, you marry a wife. I believe that your wife is is enough for you, not going outside cheating or looking for outside chick. So some men are the one. I'm not saying every man. I say some are the cause of their problem. Because whenever you started cheating on your wife, started carrying other women there, I dare. That day it started is the day you start problem in your family, in your house. You're bringing problems in your family, commotion in your family, your marriage. So you will not expect that woman to trust you or to give you that maximum respect you wanted. But whenever you start cheating on your wife, and what's part of it, some of men go extent that they are doing it when their wife knows that they are doing such thing, which is very, very bad and uncomfortable. Some men are they are proud of doing it. So they said that they will go to their thank you so much. They will go to a still a far away to even date their wives' friends, sleeping with them anyhow they want. And they will tell you that is a matter of cash since it can like African people used to more especially these Igbo people besides they used to say a man our tradition did not forbid this that a man has rights. Which area in what section has the right that tradition, the right that in people always said tradition demanded, tradition do this. In what in where did they write that? That's what tradition has said. Which constitution, which area. Do you understand? So because of that word they used to say, a lot of men going there cheating on their wife, believing that the tradition did not condemn it. You have rights, but inside that, they will say women don't have rights to cheat on their husband or to go to another man. If you say how much, they will say, okay, can woman marry two husbands at the same time? A man can marry my wife at the same time. Okay, what about those who husbands that married in one wife, two, three wives at the same time? What is their fate? What is happening in their home? That's what you ask yourself. It's not matter of marrying one or 200 wives or following other women. You are claiming rights why you know that you are wrong. What you are saying doing is wrong. Even people will be quoting in the Bible, King Solomon, King this, King what they did that. After the what happened to the family, what was the results after everything? This is what you ask yourself. A lot of us we millet for the bad, we don't millet for the good one. Always like to learn from the bad one. Yeah, good evening, T-boy, welcome. See, so some women are the cause, men are the cause of some of their marriages today crashing and going down. Mhm. Some of the men are the cause. Yes, I will give you an example. There's an example I'm going to give you in this video. Welcome. Thank you so much for coming. If you are watching me for YouTube, you're highly welcome. If you are watching me for Facebook, you're highly welcome. Please come also subscribe to my family channel, Obelili Family, Obelili Family TV, and also follow us in a Facebook page, Obelili Family TV. You can see it. So, and God bless you as you do so. We love you. Thank you for watching. For those that are watching for YouTube, God bless you. For those that are watching for Facebook, also, God bless you. Yes, so I didn't give caption. I just decided not to be in that, but I want to just explain to you why some men are the problem. Some women are facing in the marriage. The marriages are going down. I just want to let people to stop saying women are the cause because in everything they blame women. I don't know why always blaming women for everything, which is very wrong. So men are the cause. Some of the men are the cause of what's happening in their marriages. So by the day that time started having affair with another woman outside, that is the day you ruin your marriage, whether I like it or not. Adadiche is saying that is the day you ruin your marriage because you will not have peace of mind. Number one, because what you are doing, you will be doing it secretly. You will not hide it. So for some Estate fathers they will even hide it. They don't even care. Whatever their wife wants to do, let it do. Anything you want to do, let it do. Let her do. Because they don't have respect from their wives. If you have respect on your wife, you will not try to go and be sleeping with other women. So by sleeping with other women can bring down your marriage because that woman you are sleeping with, that woman you are mingle with, you don't know her plan over you. You don't know her plan over your wife or your children because that side chick are desperate. They are desperate to get whatever they want to get. That side chick, yeah, they are desperate. They can do undo in order to achieve their goal. Achieving their goal is you. They want to achieve you. They want to have you full. You understand me? So, and your wife life is at stake. Even your children, your home is at stake. Your marriage is at stake. So this is reason why you have to avoid this, because if you don't avoid it, you are bringing commotion, destruction in your marriage, in your home, and you will not have peace of mind. That is the point. You will not have peace of mind. Even your wife will not have peace of mind as well, because the woman will be thinking many things. This is the reason why some women go before their time, because the marriage itself is not suitable, it's not good for them again to enjoy the marriage, because of the way the man is treating them, the way the man is behaving. I still ask question. I will still continue asking this question. If you're a man, if you're a man and you know that you are not capable to marry, why can't you keep on pleasing, chasing women the way you want? So nobody will question you. Do whatever you want to do. Anytime you decide you want to marry, why can't you pocket that you have in between your trousers? Because I believe that anyone that said I want to marry, be human or woman, it's supposed to pocket whatever you have under skirt or trouser inside and mind who you have as your wife and your husband. You see? But I don't know why people still going far, still chasing women, still doing all kinds of things. You see, I tell people that if you are doing something and that thing you are doing, you are hiding doing it. You know yourself know that what you are doing is very, very bad. Why are you still doing it? Why are you still doing it? You know what you are doing is so bad and you are doing it. You know that you are committing sin. So it's better for you to stop and do the right thing. You understand me? So if you're a man and you're watching my video, you don't want to learn something, that meaning that you don't want to get sense again. Because if you watch this video is going to teach you that you don't need to cheat on your wife. But the day you think about it, you cheat it. That's when you start doing it. It's the day you are bringing your marriage down. You are bringing your wife, everything. You are bringing it down. Yes, because desperate women are ready to do undo in order to achieve their goal. They are ready to do undo. That is why I see a lot of marriage today having problems. The people think that is a women, they are the cause. No, women are not the cause. Let me tell you, in fact, women are the best in marriage. Women. Any woman is still a woman start telling that today, this marriage ends today. I will not control this marriage. Know that that one has suffer what you have seen in that marriage. If you're a man, they turn into a woman, they cannot even stay there for 1 week. Any marriage is a woman stand capital that this marriage is no more. I will not consider that woman have still get Roberti in that marriage. You see the one that senior Beati inside the marriage. You see, so men are the one that always cause problem they have in their marriages too. I'm telling you the truth, if you can believe this. Because why I say so is because by the time you start cheating on your wife, is the time you spoil everything. It's the time you killed everything. It killed the love, it killed the trust, it killed everything. Thank you so much. Thank you, ma. Thank you, ma. Thank you, well done, our dear Adadiche Vlogs. So thank you, ma. God bless you. And welcome. God bless you. So the day you keep everything about trust, you keep everything about respect, you keep everything. What some men are trying to say their wife doesn't respect them, their wife doesn't do this, their wife doesn't, but you are the first why your wife is not giving you that maximum respect you needed from her. Because they have already killed love, they have already killed everything. Imagine a woman see his husband, see with another woman. You wonder what you are eating in the house, what you are feeling that is cold, what you are feeling like is all and all. I'm seeing other women, grabbing the setting with you, get to know after all they have on you, you finished. That love will just die automatically. See, by that time, that marriage have start having problem. By that time, the marriage have start having problem. Fatima, welcome. How are you doing? I'm fine. You? Happy Sunday. Thank you so much for coming. My friends for Facebook, God bless you. Please help me share the live. People have to share the live for me. God bless you for watching. Thank you so much. I really appreciate all of you for coming, both in YouTube, Facebook. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate everyone. So, the men, if you say, make I talk, then be the problem that is happening in their marriages. I will, like I said before, I'll give you one example, one case that entered my table that I treated last time ago, and I will use it as an example again to to tell you guys. Um, I'm coming. So, so that case entered my table last time ago, and I talk about it, which I see people's reaction. Example, like one person like that reported some one case to me, which this lady is married to this guy, and this guy, yeah, be faithful to this guy, you know, very beautiful marriage. This lady have kids for this guy, without knowing that this guy is here flexing where he's living in abroad, that kind of stuff, pregnanting women here and there, sharing his cake to other women, not one, not two, not even to three. And all these women is sharing cake to them, have kids for him, and he has a wife at home. And this wife is so faithful, keep herself without mingling with any woman. See, believing that her husband is the best. Her food remained the way he kept it. He didn't know that the husband is thinking that he's faithful is not having only one kid for one lady, having three women that have kids for him, four kids outside, and having another four with his wife. At the end of the day, what happened? Before the woman will talk, he say if he wants to join the baby mamas, he can join them. I'll be paying you because he believes that he has money. He has money that he can take care of, he can do whatever he wants to. This is not life. That is how he lose a marriage. But you know one thing about these men, after losing the marriage, they will be the one that will be coming back to beg you. If someone is beside that, maybe the woman said no, they will say, this one, you're wicked. He's your husband, welcome him, forgive him. After you might have having children here and there with other women. You see why I said men are the cause of the problems they are having in their marriages today. Some of the men, and not all, some of the men, because by the time that time you started thinking going outside with other, welcome, welcome, Tone, welcome, Otunne. Otunne no cold, welcome. That is my guy, boy, Abi, Abi, that my guy. The welcome, how are you? That is my brother, welcome, Jerry. Please, Otunne, share me out. Happy Sunday. Happy Sunday. Mwah. Culture, welcome. Good evening. Rejoice, Culture. Thank you so much for coming. God bless you. This is my friends for Facebook, YouTube people. You can share me out. So, so by the time that time you think of going out there, don't you know that your wife is the best? You see, That woman, you went to their family to bring her out, pay her bride price, and bring her home. And God so kind bless you with her with kids, children. Is the best. It's best thing that can never happen to you. You need to treat that woman. You need to treat her like a queen. You don't need to depend her. You need to treat her like it's not easy. Do you think that it's easy to say, ah, yes, I do, agree to marry a man? Some men feel that it is them that are important. It is easy to see a man to marry you. It's not easy to see a woman that say, yes, I do. It is not easy to marry a man as well. Not only men, it is not easy to marry a woman. It is not easy to marry a man. Any woman that say, yes, I do, and follow you, live in Papa name, house, follow you to your own house without minding, change her name automatically to your own. So why did you have the mind of treating her bad or having the guts or the effort or the power, the strength going outside there instead of you using that power for your wife, giving you what she wants, you will be using it outside there, sharing your cake with other side chick. When you say they know go do not side chick will think good about you. Let me tell you. Side chick can never think good about you. Don't mean well for you. But your wife means well for you. It's only your wife will go on and your side chick can never pray for you. Side chick can never pray for you. Her prayer is for you to push away your wife. Her prayer is for you to neglect your family, neglect your wife, and take good care of her. Her prayer is for you to buy with phone, India with phone. Her prayer is for you to rent house for and start paying her bill. Her prayer is to push away your lovely wife away. Her prayer is to make you uncomfortable when he demands something and he cannot afford it. Her prayer is for you to forget about anything concerning your family. He can never pray for you. Even success, he cannot pray for success for you. But you see your wife will be crying morning, you will be crying afternoon, she will be crying night, day and night, praying for you, for your success. He will be praying for you, for your life. He will pray for you for good health. He will be there praying for you for everything. But you see, as I that is this why I told you that some men are the problem, the cause of problem they are facing today in their marriages. Do not tell me it's lie. If I'm lying, let us see it in comment section. Have you asked yourself this? And I just say that this side chick I'm carrying, this money I'm spending outside with other women. If I use all the money gather it, spend it on my wife, you will be charged. You will be charged. That is anybody will see my wife no go know about my you no go know my wife again. That thing that thing that is attracting you to that woman outside there, that lady, that woman outside there. Some men will go extreme far to go and be carrying other people's wife, and they will be sweating you, and they have your wife at home, or you are not yet married, or you are not married yet, and you are carrying a woman another person's wife. You wishing yourself to get even married? If you wish yourself to get married, if you get married, finally get married, the another person will keep on carrying your wife because that is what you are doing to other people. This is what some people don't know about. Some of people are suffering today in their marriages when be men. They are suffering what they are seeing. Some of their women are going there, sleeping outside. Some of them I said, is what they did in past that is coming back to them because a lot of them don't know that karma is real. That what goes around comes around. Whatever you do will come back to you. If you don't come this way, it will come the other way around. Some people don't know about that. Some that facing challenges today in marriages is either from the woman or from the man. It's coming from. Yes. or yes, upon either from the man or the woman is coming from, more especially from the men. Yes, I have to say this because a lot of people believe in women that because women are not the problem in the marriages. Let me tell you, men are the problems. Men are the problem in the marriages. Some of them will be there doing anyhow they want, and will be there expecting the woman too to be respecting them, to be calling them, to be serving them after they might go outside having fun with their outside kids, having fun. If you see some of them, their women will be looking like one kind old cargo. When you say that old lady is a young lady, because that's lack of maintenance, lack of taking care of her, the time we use to take care of your wife, the time we use to make your wife look good, you use it for the time for other people out there. And you are thinking that the woman will be feeling good, very happy. You thinking that the marriage will be happy marriage. Think that the marriage is going to be work. So some women see this and they get tired. The last time we see, they will stand up and say, "This marriage is over. I'm tired. I cannot continue. I'm tired. I cannot continue." You'll be thinking that it's a joke. It's not a joke. Because if they open their mouths and told you and say what they are seeing in that marriage, you know that they are trying to the women. We have power. We are number one. So that is the reason why if you're a man watching me, be very, 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 very careful. Don't say because you know or you want to not talk you are this one baby sweet, this that. Your wife is sweeter than that person. You know that very well. If your wife is not sweeter, is not a good wife, is not a good woman, you will never go to their house, her family house, and go and bring her out of their family and bring it to your home to answer your wife. So this is the reason why I just want to tell any man that watching me, if that woman, if that lady is not good enough, that lady is not good enough to be a wife, he will never go to a father's house to go and marry her and bring it to your home. So why are you treating her like a slave or treating her that way? Because of maybe some of them are good. When immediately they make money, they start knowing a lot of women. They will not start because they're looking for what they will spend their money. You're looking for what you spend. Your wife is there. That money we are going to spend aside, spend it on your wife. Take her out, shop for her, let her look good. Let her look sweet. Whatever you are looking for outside is inside her. She have all. You know that. If she did not have all, you will not go and marry her. You will not make her be your wife. And no man, you can never make any woman to be your wife when you know that it don't is not sweeting you or she's not okay. So that eyes he used to love her that time. That's how you used to go and carry her from her father's house to make her your wife. You have to use the same eye to take good care of. Stop cheating on her. It's supposed to when you open your body and you want to sleep with another woman, it's supposed to what will come to your mind is your wife. What of if my wife do this same thing I'm doing now? What will be my fate? Or the time you are claiming another person's wife. Well, what of you ask yourself, if another person do me this, claiming my wife, what am I going to do? This is the question you need to ask yourself because a lot of you women, men are very, very, you know, don't know how to use the words. They are doing some people are doing to not in some of is fun, I'm having fun, I have the cash, I have the change, whatever I wanted, I will get. But you are reading your marriage, you are reading your life, your family, everything, your life, your wife's life is at stake. If you mistakenly get a woman who claim that they love you, because they're claiming it's love, they always claim it. Some of them is not just side chick that are not love. Some of them they claiming that they love. They cannot love you more than your wife do. They just want to achieve something. That is what they are telling you. They love you, I love you, I love you. You are the sugar of my tea. You are this. because there is something you want to achieve. That is why he's claiming that he loves you. No one can love you what your wife, no woman can love you what your wife love you for. It's life. Because he can, I said it before, he cannot pray a good prayer for you. His own is only to achieve her goal, what he wants from you, to achieve it. So that is this why we have to be careful. The men have to be very, very careful. If you want your marriage to work very well, avoid this. Avoid going outside there. Avoid going outside. So avoid going outside there, chasing other women. So this is one of the cause how men cause their marriages having problems today. So another way men use to destroy their marriages is lies. A lot of men they lie too much. They lie for their wife too much. Some men marry their lies without telling them the truth. That is the see some of them marriages are not working today because of the lies the man have already lied and program in order to get that woman to marry that woman. So that other men would not marry the woman. They will use lies, start all their life. And if you know that any marriage that starts with lies, any relationship that starts with lies does not last. I think you know about that. Does not last. If you start your relationship with lies, you start your relation will lead to marriage, and you believing that that marriage will work, it will never work. It will never work. It may work for sometimes. So because some men go extremely far that then then because of they want that woman, they now go far away to be lying what they don't have. They claim that they have it. What they've never achieved, they claim they have achieved it. Some of them will have women there or have children. They will not tell the wife that they have children when they want to marry until they marry the woman come in and they believe that that woman, you know, he knows that you have children outside or you have wife, a woman outside, or you are lying for her. You believe that that marriage will stay, that marriage will last. So this is the reason why some of the marriages are also having problems today because they are lying inside, they keep you inside. So when the woman gets to know about the lies you are lying in order to I say tight hard in order to marry you, that woman might leave, that marriage might crash because it's not every woman that likes to live with lies. Not every woman that likes man that lies at all. So whatever you are doing, you have to be very, very careful. You have to be very, very, very careful. Tell your wife, tell her everything you want to be in case you are married. With woman. Tell her who you are. So that if you want to love you, want to marry, you will marry because of who you are. will not marry you because of maybe your weight or your friend or your whatever. So that the tomorrow she will not see, you, will not know about it, will not know anything about the impact. Because someone say that the man deceives them, and I don't know that that's how he deceived you. If you know that your marriage will not result of that one, that man deceived you, you better tell her because if you don't tell her the truth, you are gonna read out your marriage. That is why it says men are the problem they are in marriage today. So you will not see that in life. Because a lot of them come with lies. They cannot tell you the truth. They cannot tell the woman about them. They hide every single thing. And believe that when the woman, you you expect that woman to believe you again, or like love you, or support you, or to be with you. Some will not be with you again because you lied for them from the beginning. It's not tell them truth. So this is some of the cause of why marriages are having issues today. Even men, if you know that your marriage is not going to have problems and you want to maintain your please don't lie. Don't go out there telling them here and there because I have what you have money, you have time, you have access, you have car. If women are the urge to this kind of women that have from complex or have money, you can also make your wife to have what you feel. Yes, you need to know that your wife. Want her to, you know, how you want her to, you can also help her. Please, if you're watching, please help me share the video. If you're watching on Facebook or YouTube, anywhere you're watching, please help me share the video. God bless you. Your channel. Thank you so much. So if you're not watching this video, please stop treating your wife bad. Okay? Stop lying for her because it can also lead that marriage to scatter. Not every man that lets lie. Not every that like a man that cheats. Some women will tolerate it too. Some women tolerate their husband that cheating on them because of some of them that tolerate it and they don't have what it takes to fight that. Some of them don't tolerate it, will not live to their children to go ahead of their husband that and that's like a spoil your marriage. So this is why we have to be very, very careful about women identity. But to know good, I hope you are hearing what I'm saying. Share the video to your friends. How can you be going around here? The worst part of it is that some of them sit out and claim rights after they might have done wrong when they are sleeping with other women, or when your wife father will go every time beating their wife. When their wife said, why did you do this? Why are you? So if you are that type that beats your wife always, whatever she do, you beat her for the remember that you have said anything can happen. One day might be that yourself with a job. You want to be person out of it. So you have to be careful, have to be very, very careful to beat a woman is another person. Can also live for separation. There is a kind of beating you beat that woman. The woman will say, enough, I can't take this anymore. So you could leave, you know what to have, what is going on in marriage, and just stop. Because not every woman will take that. Yes, every woman will take that. So be very, very careful when you are teaching your wife such like that. It is not good. Be very, very careful. Teach your wife well. Accept marriage. Stop beating your wife. And so even your girlfriend, you will never even have to yourself allow you to do something. Your wife has to be very wife. You don't have right to do that because if your slave is your wife. So your wife needs to be treated like a queen. She is. You need to treat her like a queen. I'm not seeing people sharing the video. Why are you guys are not sharing? You're watching me on YouTube, share the video. You're watching me on Facebook, please come share. So beating your wife is another thing that can often lead to marriage crash because a lot of men become it habit beating their wife all the time. Men is like mistake, men is argument, men is argue. Somebody asking that if you beat your wife, don't you know that that beating, the beating that was you are just taking her like a first one day like decide, I just find that it's not China. No women take decision. Decision is final. There is no going back. And it is very, very difficult. It's very, very difficult for women to decide that people are saying this marriage is not going to work. I'm not very, very difficult. And when they decide for it, they are coming to them. They are not so men have to be careful. If you want your marriage to work, please avoid all avoid cheating your wife, avoid cheating your wife, avoid lying, lying to your wife. Very, very important. If you avoid all this, you see how sweet and funny your your marriage will be. Sometimes it doesn't mean that you can how are you doing? People, I'm doing fine. I'm not seeing people sharing the video. How are you? Good evening, my dear. Good evening. I think I saw you before. Keep enjoying, man. So I'm enjoying like this, yeah. People, are you? Am I enjoying? I'm not seeing. Please help me share the video. Help me share the live. Let me share the live broadcast. I'm doing that water for food. I want to invite my thank you. I would say thank you so much. What about you? What about you? Thank you so much for inviting your friends. Yes, you, Derek. Yes, lovely. Well, thank you so much for inviting them. So this is what men don't understand. So a lot of them use their account and spoil their marriage. People of them who are the people who just spoil their marriage. You are the one. But by the time you are doing all this, you see that your marriage will be at stake. Please help me share the video. Share the video so that other people will come and learn what is happening here. But some people need to learn. Some of them are doing it as if it's their right. They don't know that it's not their right. You know, you're looking for who for your marriage, who make your marriage good, who make your marriage better. So if you know that your marriage is going to work, like I said before, please stop lying, telling your wife white lies. More especially when you are already in a relationship, you are not yet married, I will lying, 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 in order to get woman to marry you. Forgetting that how your life can destroy that marriage. If that woman is telling you truth about you, sometimes marriage, not every woman can say, or they should not every woman can say, you know, life. So this life are also discovered, also discovered because when that woman knows that all you are, you know, you have life, you don't like to back, like, that marriage, that marriage. Every woman that has power, that marriage, not every woman, not correct. Another thing you have to have one thing is setting women aside because by the day you never another woman aside your woman bring calamity upon your marriage because that day you another thing some so extent that you follow when you need to go to their eyes, you not come back again. So that's why you don't know what you're doing. You understand me? So, if that woman finds you, that woman has love for you, love they will not like to leave you here. Never. They won't like to leave you here. So which kind of purpose are you not for? You need to live your life as you for her. I don't think that you will have at this point. Welcome. Yes, good evening. Yes, how are you? Thank you so much for coming. So let's use a while. This is what how you how you how you can people, people after marriage, find themselves believe that believe because another one that also use marriage also scatter so how to help people when you're not satisfied or kind of whatever is agency, how to decide for because don't know what they want to do. So, your wife. fund summarize a lot of people want to do around the house. Some of them is because of what they are media is against them, they are their role is do their value what they are doing. So some women, women that is people who say that this woman better is not bad. This woman is not because every brother is right and yes. Because some people where the man is not and that is the you cannot take it from them. Say, I can't do that. This is too much. I can't take life or whatever. It's not here. It's not here. It's not here. So that is why we have to be careful. We are good of the just everything that you like thing. You might go there and go outside there. And everyone is that is this is your I think I love you so much. You let me get whatever you want to and that will they have try for you. But one that don't keep a neck out, it's not the one side. This is what is inside the trouser one side. Because some of you what is around you to have access to it. And some just some of people, thank you so much for coming. Please let me share this. Let me share this. I think the next community I'll see you tomorrow. So tomorrow we are going to play again tomorrow. So we have to find it. By tomorrow I will be back again. I will be talking about social media and digital please share the video. So if you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section by teaching you understanding our teaching. Please can we get your comments in the comment section? Tell us what understand for teaching and let us know if you have any question. Welcome, please and people. Thank you so much for coming. Please can you help me share the video and I'm waiting for your question. If you have any question on the topic today, please can ask. Okay. So please the keyboard, do you have any question based on what I said today about men and the problems of the men and the problems having on their marriage today? We have a lot of divorce marriages today. Divorce marriage problems come from men because men some of them who are married to men, you know, just cheating on their wife every time. The also going around lying. Like, what might not happen. Like, what most of that was also beating their wife. Not someone is what they are feeling like I've been cheating on her and feel a better aspect to and then so what is that so much something we have a question with yeah, so I want to for your question if you would like this topic you don't have so call it a day, call it a day. Okay guys, so thank you again all by this time again. Take care. So do you have any question, please? you have any password? Hello guys, please there's no pressure. I'm going to end this as this. I think I've finished my topic for today. Um, as this is so if a man says something to your wife, how about it for your wife? How about your wife? How do you tell your wife? Any man like any so what you do man take to the end, what you do man so that you want to work very well to be married with this um, a lot of marriage, a lot of men, still lying and lie. Like, and letting that woman that this marriage was nice. So, what it means is doing to lot of also a lot of needs, so not everyone that so careful, very, very careful. Don't do something that you are doing something not good, not good. After marriage, die. Always tell your wife, what to do that way. If you are putting to your wife, you get too much respect you get from that woman. You get very bit of her. If a man that are not having I'm not doing well, their wife, some of them are my life. So, when you just um, so so, I know it's not and so, guys, because I spend a lot of time With my time, I will watch it. Like that seven is not cute. If you guys are funny, that seven type is not cute. And let me know, I can take time to that seven. I take time to look at the very top for you. For you, you can also finish the life. If I'm doing the life, I'll be a because I'm tired. All you do for 3 days, 2 hours, I will do it. I have promised Saturday, Sunday, on here, you just do your life. So, I'm gonna teach you to people get information for certain things that we do, that we are doing right. So, let's come in like interesting, share the video, I can do and the other. I don't have to visit from the video from my side, and then invited by young wow. Every word of young, I just want anyway, are you watching us? Thank you so much. But please click the follow and like and share. Yes, thank you so much. Just like thank you so much. Please, after watching, I'm going to end the live. I'll go and watch my video to see what I'm doing and if you like and know what I'm doing about it. So, some my also is the YouTube channel of subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, for the new community. That's it. Thanks. Yeah, people were every year invited. Thank you so much. So tomorrow, guys, try and come tomorrow again for video myself here after some time. So we are going to be doing them. Then whoever that wins, we are going to do them and this is anybody that is the winner. So we have for so we will just like one more again by young plus wow. That's my web that's my web. People, thank you so much for encourage them around their education so that anytime we are in their life or we are with their life, they will help. But some people that are not coming because they are not having good evening. Come, come in, welcome. Good evening, you are finally welcome. You are in the right platform. And let I constrict, constrict with some of my video and see what I'm doing here. I want to perfect our research. Send me Adadiche Vlogs Tv. So welcome everybody. Thank you so much. Also invite your friends. After people invite you, I also invite your friends. And good evening. Welcome back to the world. Wow. How is still welcome. Good evening. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Keep coming, guys. Thank you. Well, thank you so much for inviting your friends. I do appreciate it. Please, kindly tell them to follow and contact them so that they don't miss any of my videos. Whenever I put it will be alert. So on your bed, don't forget to follow and also subscribe to our here. And then you can also follow my videos. I share about this. God bless you as you do so. Thank you so much. Okay. Yeah, so tomorrow, I needed to start this live because people are not doing it. I said people are comfortable with that. I wanted to end the live and tomorrow will be the live station with okay. Thank you, Paris. Yes, yes, so much. Please follow the thank you so much. Yeah, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Paris, thank you. Happy Sunday. Thank you so much for the first time. So how do you see, yeah, I was saying about marriage. So I see that I'm not having because so I said that so what I'm married people want a marriage time. You know, I love that believe that women have of problems that have to be life. Thank you so wow. I hope you guys are going to be following. Not follow today, tomorrow will not see you. So you need to let me know I can follow and also be very engaged. We need to figure out this platform. So the more you guys are engaging and please help me share the video. People are not sharing. Not everything shared. So if you complete that, you need to send it out to your profile account. So if you press, you will also they might like it as well. Please help me share this because people are not sharing the video and saying your work. So so I make it clear that not women are not more because of somebody having a lot. Men are because men don't they don't know the stuff that they're not available to see their wives, men that are follow lying, women, and they really like So guys, thank you so much for watching. I need to do. I need to go. I'm tired. Right? Well, thank you so much. Thank you for supporting. But thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. I really appreciate it. I tell them to stay, not, they should not go. They follow you live.